Hello world, today I'll be looking into implementing a flash feature, that is when the player gets hit or hurt by an enemy, the player is just going to sort of flicker. In addition to this, I am going to trace down that bug that I kind of witnessed last time. In my last stream, I'd noticed that if I get hit like this, and if I stay moving just in the up and down direction, I don't get hit again until I move again, and then I get hit. So I need to figure out what is causing that. So I'm going to work on that first. So I think what I need to do perhaps is just put a marker where the bird object is supposed to do that collision. I think that was in the draw event. Yeah, it's in the draw. Yeah, so I guess I wanna start here. See if this is getting hit properly. Alright, so I need to debug this. Which one is it? Probably this one. Just kind of looking at the code here. This window keeps readjusting. Yeah, this looks like it. So I will add a breakpoint here. So when we hit so it's going. All right. Let me add this breakpoint back. Okay, so it does hit again here. Doesn't look like it's hitting here. If I toggle this again. Okay. Okay, that's odd. What is happening? Yeah, this should be, it should be called every frame, so I shouldn't be missing anything. Yeah, that is just weird. Okay, let me turn this one off. Yeah, that will definitely fire. Yeah, it's like it's not being detected here. And then it's hit there. Now this seems to be, okay. Seems like that's hit every time. Okay, okay, okay. All right, so I guess I need to see what the hell is actually happening here. All right, so we load the properties. Zero. Zero means it's not hurt, and it's not impervious. Okay. So we don't branch. Okay, so now it's C1. So C1. Visible, face right, face right. Oh, I wonder if I'm resetting this value wrong. What's the last one? Allow climb. Yeah, that's odd. Hmm. Okay. All right, and this, so we stored. I don't know why these labels are here, but whatever. Can we set the damage? So the player state should be different now. Player state should be different now. What is going on? I need to figure this out. I wonder if... I wonder how this is working. All right, so A1, what is A1? A1 1010 1010. Yeah, when I AND this, okay. Okay, we finish. Okay. Yeah, I keep getting that. Just trying to think here. I'm thinking that... Okay, so this works. But I think I don't... I think I need to see where this is all being referenced. So these are all sprite render routines. Okay, those are initial properties. Right. Move impervious. This is 8765. 8765. It really should be this. State hurt. Yeah, these need to be moved over. Eight, 7, 6, 5. 8, 7, 6, 5. 6 is hurt. 8, 7, 6. So we remove the hurt status. We added this. Okay. And I wonder if moving right. I wonder if moving right is like affecting this somehow. I need to see what, like, what else, where else this is being referenced. This is just checking. Where is this? What is this? Update player sprite. Okay, these are some hard loads in here. So this is probably what's causing me my issue is right here. What I really should be doing, if I actually want these to be set, so I have to OR them. And I have to OR this. And I don't think I should be, let's see. Yeah, visible. Yeah, that is a variable now. And face right. Okay. I guess that's fine. Allow climb. I feel like that needs to be determined elsewhere. Okay. Yeah, update player sprite. I'm trying to think what is the main purpose here? What did I have before? Okay, this is what I had before. I think what matters here is that I'm setting this and removing this. I think these other things are kind of irrelevant. So I'm just going to comment these out. What I'm actually doing is this. I'm actually just taking this and I am adding that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I'm really doing. And for this one, it's the opposite. I'm removing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks right. Okay, those breakpoints are going to be off. Yeah, my direction still gets reset there. Still not working here in this case, which means what? Which means there's probably other cases where this is being set. I think this part's correct now. This bit is not correct. Set hurt. Three. 1, 2, 3. It needs to be that one. Okay. It's fine, that's fine, that's fine. These are all fine. Just checking what direction. Probably should do the visible check here as well. Okay. That's fine. Okay, more sprite stuff. Remove impervious. Okay. I think that's correct. Remove hurt, add impervious. This I think is just checking direction. This is setting direction. Okay. Okay, this should do it this time, I think. I hope so. Okay, I'm not breaking out of it though. Why am I not breaking out of it? need to find where this is getting tripped up. Elizabeth asks, is there animation 2 when the character got hit, or just flash effect? Yeah, that's something I still need to implement, is animation. Right now I'm just working on fixing a bug with the player. I wrapped up a whole bunch of properties in just one byte. So I have to do some extra work to kind of extract the information properly out of it. And right now I'm having an issue because when I wrote this, I put these bits in the wrong position. I put basically the hurt bit in this position, which is the direction position, or the direction bit. But all of these things right here are basically just hard-coded frames for the player. So like, yeah, sprite player swing forward, or sprite player jump gun. The sprites are all there. They could be drawn. But I still need to make a system to actually manage what sprite is going to be what. But that won't really be implemented until I actually handle the physics, which is what I'm probably going to work on next after I fix this. So yeah, right now I need to get this debugger open, and I need to, looks like I got rid of my breakpoints. Okay, so this is the collision one. I think this is the other one. Yeah, the hurt state. So let's see, play. Okay. Power cycle. Play. Enter. Okay. So I think this should be, okay. Yeah. Looks like it. Load health. Subtract 2. Store. Okay. Branch, because we're not dead. Okay, so this should kick us to the next state, which is stun. So if I add a breakpoint here, we should hit it, and we do. And we'll stay stunned and this should remove that hurt status. And this should give us impervious status. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should remove it. So I should probably, let's see. Wait a tick. Load. Oh, dang, is there 2 of these? There are. I may no longer be in this state. Shoot. I should get rid of these duplicate masks. Oh, what to do, what to do, what to do. Load counter. Well, there's and. It's one of my ands. Well, there's deck, there's branch. Here. Okay, this of course is always going to get hit. I think I'm just going to get rid of both of these. Okay. Interesting. Was this never hit? This impervious state was never hit, it seems. That can't be. Really? All right, let me clean this up a bit. I'm just gonna call this AA. Get rid of this. CB. Okay, D. All right. Okay. Okay. So okay, we got a breakpoint there. I'll add a breakpoint here. And I don't think I need one in C. I think B and D is what I need to check. So let's see. Okay, so B. So we're here. Okay. What is our counter set to? 7B. That looks like it's going up. Oh yeah, because that's the counter. The timer is the thing that goes down. So once counter goes up, then this goes down. Okay. When this hits 0, then we should switch to the impervious state. Oh, but we don't switch to the impervious state. We never do. Because I'm saying I'm no longer hurt. Right? I think I need to maybe... What do I need to do? Maybe that's what's happening. Yeah, because from here we get kicked back to the main engine. Main engine does that collision check. That collision check is true. Because I think I'm only checking for hurt. Bird. What? Looked like I thought. Oh, that's why. Again, because my brain was. Yeah, it was not. Yeah. Okay. I see. This should be fine. It's this guy. Or is it? It's not that one that I'm concerned with. It's these two that I'm concerned with. That's got to be it. It's got to be it. Yeah, D. Yeah, I'm impervious right now. Should be at least. And then this timer should run out. Should have run out. Okay. Right, so what is happening? Don't want that. I should be free to move around in this state. All I'm doing is same thing, incrementing the counter, decrementing the timer. That's not what I meant to click. Yeah, this is just a long time. I think that's just the issue, is that it's a really, really, really long time. Yeah, it's still waiting, still impervious. Okay, now I shouldn't be, because it's not getting caught. Cool. So that looks like it's working. So crisis averted. All right. I guess now that that's the case, now I need to add this flash. I wonder how I should do that. I wonder if I should do that. How should I do this? Because I kind of want it to be, visible is just a property of this byte. It's the first bit, or the last bit. The most significant bit. I'll just say that. Yeah, let me look for this thing again. Yeah, where is set attributes being executed? Where is this being executed? Yeah, update player sprite. Yeah, reset player sprites. That moves everything over. So probably right here. So I reset them every frame. And then all I need to do is just see like if it's visible. If it's, do we want to jump if it's equal? If it's equal, can I jump this whole amount? Can I jump? Wondering if I could just, maybe not. I don't think I can straddle this because I think I'm gonna have to add more stuff in here. Just do this. And then I guess I just jump back. Something like that. Okay. Invert that. Okay. Okay, so I think all I need to do now is set this guy. Set him in my stun state. Or maybe just in the impervious state. I wonder. Could probably just straight up do it in here. Yeah, none of these other ones matter. Only the first one matters. What do I want to do? How do I want to do this? I just want to flip that one bit. I think I just have to, I can't OR it. Can't OR it, can I? Yeah, how do I just flip that? Yeah, how do I do this? I could... How do I do this quickly? I have my byte. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. I have my bit that I'm concerned with. I have other junk, random bits in here. Exclusive OR. Yeah. Means one or the other. So 1 and 1 would go to 0. I'm just going to get random junk for the rest of this. because 0 and 0, that would give me 0. 0 and 1, that would give me 1. 0 and 1, that would give me 1. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, it's just gonna invert the rest of that. I just want to flip this 1, which I do here. ANDing it extracts that 1 bit. It's like I have to. I don't know any other way to do this. It's like I have to put it in something else. Then I have to clear it out. I have to clear it out. Other way. And then I can put it back in. There's gotta be a better way of doing that. That works, but it's doesn't look very ideal. Let's see. What does the internet say is the fastest way? Fastest way to toggle single bit 6502. Why isn't... Man, this isn't loading. Yeah, think. I wonder, guess, do I need to really do this other stuff? Can I just get away with just using E exclusive OR here? I can't remember. Let me just experiment. Yeah, my mind is so tired today. If I have binary value that, and I do exclusive OR, does that just give me, this can't be, isn't this gonna give me this? Isn't this gonna give me like 0, 1? Yeah, because 1 and 1. Oh no, yeah, this is right. Yeah, because 1 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, yeah, I'm just being retarded. Stupid. Yeah. Bam. Wasting all this time. It's been a while. Okay. Yeah, so that should just toggle it. And it should only toggle it when this hits 0. Which actually might be too slow for me. Yeah, there we go. It's funny. Yes. This is how long we stay in that impervious state, a very long time. But it looks like it wasn't responsive to some of the direction input, which means that I'm probably skipping too much when I did my update. Which was where? Oh, where was that? Was that in... Yeah, here. Right here. Yeah, I still have to do this check. I still have to do that check. Get direction. Yeah, because this is on new button press. We have to set that. Here. break out if we don't have to draw. That is, if we are not visible. Okay. So I'm stunned, I'm blinking, and it's responsive. Left is left, right is right. Yeah, this is just, I wonder if I like, do I like this frequency? I feel like that frequency is fine. That blinking frequency. These times are just absurdly high. So I should probably change that, but yeah. All right, let me change this back. I need to look where draw player. Right. Yeah, this should probably be stripped out and put into a, I don't know, something else. Okay. So back up. Where was it? Wherever my states are. Stun state. Yeah, I don't think I need any of these anymore. Okay. Time to be impervious. Time to be stunned. Time to be stunned. I feel like this is too much. That might be better. And this is just way too much. It should be like half. Okay. Still way too long. Even yeah, both of them are just too long still. Maybe just one. And 10. Ugh. is freaking long. Okay, one might be too little. Actually, there's variability here, now that I'm thinking about it. So I'm using just the global timer. What should this be? Is this time fine? Maybe I can afford a little bit more. I feel like I should just have just a separate byte for this. Yeah, using the global counter probably wouldn't work here. It's just not consistent. It'd be consistent if I reset it here, but other things depend on that counter. Yeah, should I decouple that? Only when it's 0. Maybe it doesn't really matter so much. But this is the amount of variability you could have. You know, this difference kind of just approaches 0 the larger this value is. But this value never really gets that large. It's always small. Always small. I think, maybe this is just fine. Maybe it's fine how it is right now. Yeah, I get hit, and then I'm invincible. Definitely need to change the sprite index. That needs to happen here. I wonder if I wonder if I have a hurt frame. What do I got? What do I got? Reset. Frame 5, frame 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, jump roll. Jump roll 2, 1. Swing back. Swing forward. Jump gun. Jump punch. Prep punch. Jump. Crouch fire. Crouch punch. Crouch prep punch. Player crouch. Stand punch. Stand punch prep. Stand. Man, you kidding me? I didn't implement this one yet. Can't believe it. How do I not have hurt? Well, I guess sprites is what I should probably focus on next. Yeah, I've got a lot of these done, but I guess I don't have them all done. All right, well, no, I don't want to save that. I think this will be it for tonight. Yeah, I fixed the bug, and I implemented this health feature. So now when you get hit, player flashes to represent that they're basically invulnerable or invincible. I still need to tie the health to the HUD. That's another thing that needs to get done. But yeah, I think that'll be it. So this is pretty straight to the point this time around. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.